As you can tell, things haven't exactly been going well with me and the iKamand. This is actually my second unit. The first one, I had a lot of connectivity issues with it. The probes weren't calibrated correctly. And also I had these weird freezes where it would keep the fan on and then the temperature would just spike up in my grill, and I couldn't command it unless I came home and actually restarted the unit. So Kamado Joe made good on that, and they replaced that unit with this unit right here. With a software update, the probes on this were accurate. I was getting 212 when boiling. I had pretty good success on my first cook. I only had it disconnect one time as opposed to the other one that would, disconnect 15, 20 times. But on my second cook, I had it spike on me. So thankfully I was home and I was able to take care of it, but I let it go just to see what would happen. The unit froze up while the fan was on. So the scenario was something like I was keeping the temperature around 225 and the temperature in the grill had fallen, let's say, to 215. And so it kicks the fan on 15%. Well, at that instant, it froze. It kept the fan at 15%. I couldn't do anything from the app. I restarted the app, all that stuff. Had I not been home to correct the issue, then the temperature would have just kept climbing, would have ruined whatever I was cooking. So I just can't trust the unit. And I know it's nice to have. The grill holds temperature just fine. I just got it because I thought it would be a cool addition to be able to monitor your cooks from far away. I was impressed with Kamado Joe's customer service. They've been nothing but great with me through anything I've had with the grill or with this iKamand. I'm getting a full refund for this second one because I'm not happy with it. I just wanted to let all of you know so that you don't go out and buy one, or maybe you try and maybe you'll have better luck than I did. I just, with 2 units, that was enough for me. I didn't want to keep trying. So I'm gonna send it back for a full refund and keep cooking on my Joe the old-fashioned way. Hopefully this video was of some help to you if you're in the market for the iKamand. Maybe I pushed you in one way or the other. Thanks so much for watching Break It Yourself. Don't forget to thumbs me up, and we'll see you next time.